Let's learn about inbound email notifications. I'm a maintenance manager, and I'm starting a new Impulse implementation. To this point, we've always received emails from our users when they had a request for maintenance. Our plan is to have requesters fill out a form where we can control the accuracy and consistency of the data they provide us. But to start, we're going to use the method they're familiar with. Thankfully, Impulse includes a feature called Inbound Email Notification, where we can use an address generated by our implementation that will allow those that need to request maintenance to do so simply by sending an email. Our users can email directly to this address, they can copy or blind copy the address, or in the case where we're using an established address like maintenance@ourdomain.com, they can forward all messages to the unique email address provided by our implementation. This feature is so easy to set up that I can do it myself. Let's take a look. I want to start in my main menu. I'll navigate to Management Tools. I'm going to come down here to Email and select Email Settings. On the right side of the screen is where our inbound email information is housed, and all I have to do is click Generate Inbound Address. Now, while I'm in Management Tools, I can make sure I have all of the notifications enabled that will keep my requesters up to speed on what's happening. I learned how to build and manage these messages in another Let's Learn video. Coming back to that inbound email I just generated, all I have to do now is distribute the address to the right people. I can also bring in IT to set up the forwarding from the email address we currently use. Either way, the end user is just going to send emails to the generated email address. Once those emails are sent, they'll automatically create pending maintenance requests that I can review and manage. Gosh, this feature is so easy, I'm just going to tell everybody I set it up myself. Thanks, Impulse, for making me look so tech-savvy. For questions about this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@impulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.